Hello everyone, welcome to this edition of Speaker Savoir. We're here to learn French and to learn how to speak it right because French opens so many doors, just like knowing how to speak so many other languages. Alors, si vous êtes prêts pour apprendre une autre expression française, if you're ready to learn another French expression, c'est parti! The expression we're looking at in this episode is n'importe quoi. N'importe quoi. This is a very interesting expression because it could be used in varied contexts, very varied contexts. You can use it to mean I don't mind or anything goes, whatever. It could also mean rubbish or like to express that what someone is saying is like really rubbish. Let's look at these examples. Exemple 1. Elle raconte n'importe quoi. She's talking rubbish. Exemple 2. Son mari fera n'importe quoi pour elle. Her husband will do or would do anything for her. Exemple 3. Parfois, les élèves font n'importe quoi en classe. Sometimes students or pupils do whatever they like in class. Exemple 4. Qu'est-ce que tu veux? N'importe quoi. What do you want? Anything goes. So, please note that this n'importe quoi literally means anything or whatever, but the kind of tone with which you say it and the context could determine whether it's vulgar or it's insulting or you're serious or you do not mean any harm. Okay? Now, you can say peu importe as another variation of let's say if you mean never mind or you mean anything goes. Peu importe. Okay? In addition to this, other question words like where, how, when, or who in French could be used together with n'importe. And this will give us the following expressions. So n'importe où would mean anywhere. So where do you want us to go? N'importe où, anywhere. N'importe comment, anyhow. N'importe quand, anytime or whenever. N'importe qui means whoever. Okay? So, I encourage you all to take note of these different expressions, study the context a bit more, and know how to use it. Please, I urge you not to use it in its insulting form to mean rubbish or nonsense. No, please don't. Okay, let's learn how to pronounce it, or the various expressions that we have derived from n'importe. So first, n'importe quoi. N'importe quoi. N'importe où. N'importe où. Peu importe. Peu importe. Meaning never mind. N'importe comment. Anyhow. N'importe quand. Whenever or anytime. N'importe qui. Whoever. I hope you liked this video. Great job. Très bien. You're doing a good job. I encourage you to, as always, keep practicing because c'est en forgeant qu'on devient forgeron. I hope you said it together with me at home. Well, see you in the next video and au revoir.